Just as no ceasefire and no peace can be achieved between the United States and Iran with the Strait of Hormuz shut, similarly, how can any ceasefire between India and Pakistan hold without the Indus Water Treaty being restored? From Hormuz, we must turn to the Indus, because what is true of the Strait of Hormuz is true with even greater intimacy and greater cruelty of the Indus Basin. A strait may carry the oil of nations. The Indus carries the life of nations. India had announced its intention to abandon the Indus Waters Treaty as part of their unjustified assault on Pakistan last summer. It is a war that is internationally recognized as one that India lost. Even India's greatest allies can't help but marvel at the number of planes downed by Pakistan. Pakistan, emerging victorious from this David versus Goliath scale conflict, has reshaped the geopolitics of the region. The concept of propping up India as a net security provider in the region has been abandoned, and the world has moved on. However, I must caution, while Pakistan has stuck to the ceasefire, which were to be discussed, whereas Pakistan has stuck to the terms of the ceasefire, India has not. There were clear and explicit terms of the ceasefire which were to be discussed at a meeting in a neutral location where all friction points were to be addressed. We were to return to the status ante in the meantime, which would of course include India returning to its obligations under the Indus Waters Treaty prior to this dispute.